So you might be trying to figure out how you can make stickers on Snapchat. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go and open up your Snapchat application. And what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go ahead and take a photo of something that you want. So in this case, let's say I wanted to go and make a photo of, this thing, if I just wanted to make a photo, whatever, right? Now, if I wanted to make a sticker, all I'm going to have to do for the most part is go ahead and find my sticker icon basically. So the sticker icon basically is like these two, it's basically the scissor icon right there. So I can go ahead and tap on the scissor icon and watch what happens. I can then go ahead and basically just crop out basically whatever I want to. So in this case, if I want, I can just go ahead and basically like highlight whatever I want to. So if I wanted to make a sticker of this, I can just round that out just like I did here. And that is basically my sticker. So now you can see that I can basically move this around and I can kind of match it what it was before. But I can also move it around here if I want to. So now whenever I want to, I can go ahead and click on these little things here again. And I can go ahead and make another sticker. So if I wanted to make another sticker like something like this, I can just keep doing that over and over and over again. So now if I go and hop out of this and if I go and click abandon, if I want to go ahead and add the sticker in that I just already copied, I can go and tap on that little sticker icon under that pencil icon right there. So this icon. And you should be able to see those stickers that I've actually made before. So you can see I made some years and years ago, kind of the same desk and whatever. But now you can do the exact same thing here. And that's basically how it's done. It's a very basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.